Okay, class, so today we're going to compare temperatures of the two systems. So two systems have different temperatures. You are used to working, well, the US, they use Fahrenheit, so degrees Fahrenheit. All right, degrees Fahrenheit is older, and it's what our oven is making, or our oven uses rather. In Canada, we use degrees Celsius, which is from the metric system. And there's some differences between them. You need to know both because you often work in both, especially anytime you're cooking or baking things or need to know boiling points, melting points. So the Celsius is easier. What they did is they found when water freezes and they called that 0 degrees Celsius. Then they found out where water boils and they called that 100. And then all they did was make 100 increments between 0 and 100, and then they just continued it on down, and they continued it on up. The same increments, they used this distance between water freezing and water boiling as their scale. Whereas in Fahrenheit, it doesn't make sense. Water freezes at 32 degrees, and it boils at 212, okay? Now, what gets weird is because they're on a different scale, once you get quite a bit below 0, well, typically the Fahrenheit has higher numbers and degrees Celsius is lower numbers. But that flips when you get really, really low. So when you get low, like a minus 20 Celsius, they're almost the same. And then they flip around. So you gotta be careful when you get really, really low cold numbers because Fahrenheit might be below Celsius. Typically though, this holds true that Fahrenheit's higher numbers and the lower numbers are Celsius. Okay, here we go. So here's the formula to go from Fahrenheit into Celsius. And here's the formula to go from Celsius into Fahrenheit. What are you gonna do though? You're gonna Google it. So, for example, if you want to convert 42 degrees into Celsius, all you're going to do is you're going to go into Google and you're going to go convert 42 Fahrenheit to Celsius. So you're just going to type in the abbreviations and it will convert for you. So watching me here, I will clear this. I'll say convert 42 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, and voila, there you go. So here's another temperature converter, so you can use that explicitly if you like, or you can type it into your search bar, doesn't matter. Easy to do. Now say I want to know what 10 Celsius was, I would just go in here and change this, and I would go 10 degrees, and look, it converts for you as you go. What about 100 Fahrenheit? 37 degrees Celsius. Okay? You often sometimes hear that, oh, it's like 100 degrees out. Well, they're talking Fahrenheit, but that's still pretty hot in Celsius. Okay? It wouldn't be 100 degrees Celsius because water would be boiling. But in 37 degrees Celsius is quite warm. 110 Fahrenheit, super hot. Sometimes temperatures get up to that. 43 degrees. Super hot. Okay, so all you're going to do is use your Google to calculate it. Okay, so here 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, and then you can convert that, it's 118 Fahrenheit. So I can just go to my Google calculator and type in 48 right here. Boom, 48, 118, converting for me. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so now you can go and complete assignment number 9. Good, go, begin, good luck, enjoy, have fun.